Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game in Unity on itch.io called 6 AM. Presumably by Fuzzy Tomato. Does it really matter? Who cares? Anyway, it's loading. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to have a go. Don't know anything about it. All it says is overworked and underpaid. Another late night at the office turns into a living nightmare. Can you make it out alive? Looks like a low poly game, which is by no means bad. I do quite like low poly. What is that there? Whoa, that's freaky, isn't it? Right, well, okay. WAS to mouse, E, escape is pause. Alright, let's just get straight into it. New objective, find the first floor and leave the building. Alright then. Can we run? We cannot run. Can we jump? Oh, we can jump. We can jump onto things. Stand on things. Okay, so let's do what it says. So I want to have a little look around as well. Second floor, manager room, key card. I'm guessing we'll need to come back here, so I will leave. Third floor. Door is locked. Keycard required. Fair enough. Nice box. Wonder what's in there. Right then. So, I recognise that. That's quite an old asset. That from the asset store. It's very old. So the spider just walked that way. Let's see where he came from. So what was he doing in here? Like, let me jump on things. Can't really do much. Sticky notes. Stapler. Let's go through the door. Second floor, east wing. First floor. Well, that's where I've got to go, isn't it? That's where I said I've got to go. What's that? Oh, third floor. Okay, well, I'm going to go this way because it did say go to the first floor. I saw a spider shadow again there. Oh, there was that thing from the main menu. It just walked straight ahead through that door. Okay. Should I go after it? I'm going to have a look in here and then I'll go after it. So it's 6 AM. Well, obviously it's not 6 AM now. It's however many minutes I've been playing this past 6 AM. There's that spider again. Door. Not a lot. It's very minimalistic office, or whatever this is supposed to be. It's like a police interrogation room, kind of. Anything here? Shame I can't run. Let's go this way. If that's the only way I can go. Where's the spider? Come here, Spidey! My spidey senses are tingling. Oh, huh. Okay, so straight into the profanity. Okay. Find second floor manager's office key. So I've got to go back to where I started then. Okay. A little bit of a trek, but okay. Silence. Oh! Alright then. That thing's peering out the door again. And... Whoa! Okay, I honestly didn't expect that. Okay, let's carry on. Oh, I can run now. Well, that's good. I can hurry up and get that key and get out of here. It was back through here, down here. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that to actually happen. I was expecting it to go off. I didn't expect it to kind of just suddenly appear on the screen right in front of me. How do I take this? Well, that's what I need. That's what I need, but how do I take it? I'm mashing the keyboard and nothing is working. What is going on? Right, let me press each key. Why is nothing working? Why? What? Is that what I need to get? Am I missing something? What am I missing? I'm confused. I'm pretty sure that is the key I need. Unless I'm missing something just completely. I didn't think I was that stupid, but maybe I am. Wow, well. Obviously can't go through there. Let me check this again. I mean, what? I can't just. I am really confused now. It did say I need the second floor manager's office key, which is right there, isn't it? Indeed. Okay. Maybe I've picked it up and it's just it doesn't disappear. Maybe, I don't know. There you go. But I've literally picked it. It's right there. It is right there. Is it glitched? Has it glitched? It's there. I'm gonna have a look at the itch.io page. 1 second. I don't get it. So doesn't really particularly say anything, if I'm honest. How to pick that up or anything. I just don't get it. So maybe that isn't what I need. Maybe there's something else that I need to get. I think it'd help if there were some prompts on screen. I think that would probably help. I'm just going to quickly recap where I've been to. And so obviously I can't go through there. Keycard required, keycard required. So there's got to be something somewhere, hasn't there? Maybe it's on another desk somewhere. What's that green? Oh, it's just post-it notes again. The mystery unfolds. The mystery of either the missing keycard or why I can't pick up the damn keycard. Which one is it? Which one is it, game? Ay, ay, ay. Sorry, I had to scratch my shoulder there. Isn't here? No. 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 Let's head back. Hang on. That's the way I need to go this way, don't I? 'Cause I need to go down there. Is it not in these rooms? Maybe it was in that room that thing was in that suddenly came out at me. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Slowly losing interest now because it's either broken or I'm too stupid to figure out what to do. Oh. Oh my goodness. It was right there. It was right there. Oh my gosh. Alright, we've got it. Obviously, I'm too stupid. Alright then, let's carry on with this. Let's carry on. So we need to go through here to a spider. Wow, the spider got me good and proper. Okay, so I've got to somehow run around it. Second floor. Find the second floor manager's office. Oh, okay, he's wandering off. He's coming after me again. He's got me. Ugh. How do I get around him? Oh, okay, I've got around him. Yeah, I know what I've got to do. The manager's office. Oh god, he's after me again. How am I... He's disappeared. Where'd he go? Never mind. He's there. You damn spider. You old spider. You old spider. You damn old spider. Right, there's the manager's office. Okay, I know where the key card is, so I'm going to run. Search Sarah's desk for the key card. Okay, I think I know where... Oh, there's another one. Oh, and another one. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, when you respawn... It doesn't really matter if you die. When you respawn, you just... Okay. There it is. Take it. I'm just respawn. Start straight where you left off. I like that. I wish more games would do that. Okay, now I'm with it. Now I'm with it. I was an idiot at first when I'm being chased by spiders. But I'm with it now. I've got it. Unlock the manager's office. I'm on it. I've got it. Let's get in. Third floor key card. Alright. Alright, we're on it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on! Where have all spiders gone? Third floor. Oh, we're up. Okay. Spiders hopefully won't follow. Not sure what I've got to do now. Oh, big open space. Oh dear. What? How did I die? Ugh. Third things are actually kind of creepy. I've never seen that asset before. Right, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do or where I'm going. Hey! Get away from me! Get away! Get... Oh! Run! Run! Let's get out of here! Let's go! Oh, spider. I saw a spider. I saw his leg. Is this the way? This is the way. Second floor. Yep, that's where I want to go. Straight down to first floor. Let's get out of here. Oh, God. I tell you what, I would not like to work in this place at 6 a.m. I can tell you that. Or, what, 6:20 now? 6:15? I don't know. However long I've been playing this for. I've lost track of time. Spider! Jump over him. Hey! And let's get out of here. Woohoo! I escaped. Alright, well that was different. I was a bit of an idiot and a bit stupid and couldn't find the keycard, but hey, that doesn't really matter all that much. That wasn't too bad. That was kind of fun to play. Yeah, that was 6 a.m. I will leave a link in the description, like I said, for you to play if you want to have a go. See if you can do it quicker than what I did. What I think would be cool about that is if it randomized, like for example, where the cards were just a little bit, like it wasn't necessarily always on the same desk, or it might do actually, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, if not, that'd be a cool element to add in. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, give a thumbs down if you didn't, but please let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. I always like to know. So guys, that was 6 a.m. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Thank you very much for watching.